It's Fiesta time. Fiesta time. Fiesta time. In Santa Ana. Fiesta time. All the bands are out playing their music and everybody's eating. I'll show you the food. I will show you the food. I will show you the food. And here is the food. Some of the food.
The lecture is there.
Yeah, let me go out there and look at that. And JJ and brother Lito. And Sister Phil. And Sister Tintin. Hello. And Lechon, the big pig. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey. This is my number one guy, Darwin. Number one. Yeah, roasted pig. The big one. And Kita. Hello.
Hello.
YouTube.
Happy Fiesta.
Kita. And there's a bunch of other people here too, and there will be more all day long. Everybody from San Luis will be here soon. They've already cut into this one. They got a whole pig here. Anyway, I thought I'd bring y'all a little bit of Fiesta and introduce everybody to you. You'll make some more rice. And there's Angelo. He's on YouTube now. He's a big YouTuber. JJ, you're on YouTube now.
Hello.
Cat.
Yes.
Sister Cat.
I am shy.
Sister Cat on YouTube now. And they have a... Tintin has a store in here. Little sorry store. She sells a little bit of everything. I'll let y'all have a view of it. What she sells. She's pretty organized in here compared to some stores I've seen. And she has sardines and meatloaf and beans, pork and beans, and just a little of everything. Little bit of everything. Tomato sauces, banana ketchup. I ate a lot of banana ketchup. And down here is some gins. I think that's gin. And then some hot sauce. Little bags of rice. They sell little bags of rice. Magic syrup, of course. Always magic syrup in here. And then they got hygiene stuff down in below here that they sell also. Then they got special candies. And then what else do they have in here? They sell cigarettes by the stick, by each, one each. Then they got potato chips, all kind of chips, different chips. And up here, there's more washing powders. And I forget what that is. I can't remember what that means. I think it's like icing. Like an icing. Yeah, so this is Tintin's Sar store. the one she runs here. Tintin's the youngest sister. Anglo's the youngest brother. Yeah, so we're having a little fiesta here on Sunday. Santa Ana Fiesta. Hope you enjoyed it. They have bands come by every now and then, and at nighttime they have the statues of the saints, all the saints and stuff. This isn't that big a house, but it can hold a lot of people, right? Right? We'll walk outside here for a minute. It's not too far. I believe I live about 3 kilometers from here. I believe I live about 3 kilometers from here. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I believe I live about 3 kilometers from here. And where my house is that I'm building, where my house is, about the same amount of distance. Then we got Uncle Bobot over here. You guys probably know him from some of my earlier videos. He started the foundation on my house and did the walls and stuff. He went to get some chairs just a while ago. He's still building on this side of the house. The other side of the house is just about finished, right? The other side's just about finished, right?
Yeah.
You just got to do this side. See, let's see if he got his chairs. Oh yeah, you got chairs.
Yeah.
Cleaning his chairs. So Darwin's been working for Uncle Bobot this week in the graveyard. They're doing renovations on the tombs and stuff. And so he didn't work at my house, so that's why you're not getting a video from my house right now. And it's also time for you to subscribe, like, share, and all that good stuff on this video. Fiesta video. Look at those. I like that up there. How that's tinted and the glass for the rails. Okay, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.